Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Here we upload interesting content about tips, tricks, answers, and many more. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever we upload a new video. On today's video, we are going to look at why all iPhones have the silent switch button at the corner. We all dread the situation where our phones go off in the middle of a meeting, class, or movie theater. That heart-drop moment when you hear your ringtone echo through the room and everyone knows it's your fault. Back in the day when we didn't have smartphones, most phones like Nokia's 3310, for example, had profiles. We could switch between a daytime profile, theater profile, evening profile, and others. Whatever situation you were in, you could create a profile for it. Now, looking back at that setup, it's not very user-friendly, tapping your way through the menus on small screens with tiny buttons just to find the Profiles page. When the iPhone was released in 2007, Apple solved that with a quick-fix silent switch. At the time, this was an awesome solution. There was no control center. There was no Siri. The safest and easiest way to make sure your phone was on silent was with the switch. Without looking, you can reach into your pocket or in phone holster and determine whether your iPhone is in silent mode. Long pressing volume button is also a possible option, but then there is no visible way to know the current state of the ringer mode. With this switch, you can virtually determine if the phone is in silent mode without having to press any button to find out. When comparing the original iPhone with this year's iPhone, the ring silent switch has stayed nearly identical. We still have that nice click when switching between the two states and still have that orange-red inlay when the phone is on silent. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to also subscribe for more videos like this.